Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I am here to apprise the mechanical engineering students, all the automobile engineering students, mechanical engineering and diploma students, to apprise them of the core jobs, online courses, online learning platforms available in mechanical engineering core domain. Please see the website again, free.aicte-india.org mechanical. So in fact, with the effort of the AICTE, this particular company has come forward to give a free online course up to 15th May 2020. So SkillLink is a company which is giving mechanical engineering essentials program, basically fine-tuning the mechanical engineering students. You know, mechanical engineering again have a different subtopics together. Mechanical engineering students are eligible for different kinds of skill sets or job sets. So you have on machine side, you have on thermal engineering side, you have on automobile engineering side, and this particular platform is going to give you all the mechanical engineering essentials, aiming to teach the students the 5 essential skill sets that can give all the mechanical engineering students an edge over their peers. So essentially all the students who are going through this platform, if you register and then complete this course, certification through this, will be familiar with MATLAB, again a wonderful tool, then Python, then CFD, computational fluid dynamics, FEA, finite element analysis, and multi-body dynamics. So after completing this course, students will be able to finish 5 respective certifications. And what more a company requires from a student, from mechanical engineering students. So once you are certified with all these domains, any core company will be able to jump and take you, because they don't have to train any particular student in their respective domains. In fact, this is a wonderful platform, thanks to the efforts of AICTE for bringing this particular platform to the doorstep of the students during this lockdown period. Invest your time in this. I appeal all the mechanical engineering degree and diploma students along with automobile students. Please invest your time in registering this particular platform before 15th May 2020. So this is a product video. We'll just very briefly go through this particular platform.
Over the last few years, India has become a hub for CAE engineers. Multinational companies have set up research divisions in Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, and other metro cities and are looking to recruit talented engineers. But currently, there are not many engineers in the domain of computer-aided engineering. At SkillLink, we analyzed industry trends and developed an essential CAE program for mechanical engineers. This program contains 5 individual courses that develop strong fundamentals in domains such as computational fluid dynamics, structural analysis, multi-body dynamics, and numerical simulations. In this program, you will enroll in 5 courses and learn the following skill sets. The courses are Introduction to Computational Fluid Dynamics using SolidWorks, Introduction to Finite Element Analysis using SolidWorks, Introduction to Multi-Body Dynamics using SolidWorks, Python for mechanical engineers, and MATLAB for mechanical engineers. While working on this course, you will also work on 10 industry-oriented projects, and by the end of the coursework, you will have a very strong portfolio that can help you in your career. Here is an example of a student's portfolio after finishing this course. Also, I'm excited to share that our courses are now available both in Hindi and English. Alright, with that I would like to conclude this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
So the prerequisites for the course is mechanical engineering, automobile engineering, and a diploma in mechanical. So your infrastructure requirement, you should have just a laptop with good internet connectivity, and everything is free. So learn for free during COVID shutdown. Please click on the learn, register for the course as soon as possible, spend the time, and I appeal to all the mechanical engineers, please don't dismiss God's given opportunity thanks to the efforts of AICTE, and please make use of this, fine tune your skills, invest your time in all these things. So with that, so I'll be coming with one more session on management, commerce and management students very soon. Please take care and stay safe. All the best.